Thinking about starting a hosting business, but don't want to deal with servers, technical issues, or constant maintenance? Let's talk about serverless reseller hosting, one of the smartest and most hassle-free ways to start your own web hosting brand in 2025. With serverless reseller hosting, you can sell hosting packages under your own brand, but the heavy lifting, like server management, security patches, software updates, and uptime monitoring, is handled entirely by your hosting provider. That means no need to worry about hardware, downtime, or being a tech wizard. Your job? Focus on sales, customer support, and growing your business. This model is cost-effective, scalable, and perfect for freelancers, agencies, or entrepreneurs who want to offer hosting as a service without the stress of running a data center. Ready to start your hosting empire the easy way? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on reseller hosting and building your online business in 2025.